So I just converted Kira to try out dog boarding, and now I'm going to tell you all some tips and tricks if you want to try out dog boarding too. So I went through a company called Rover.com. It used to be called Dog Vacay a very long time ago. So I started a couple of years ago, and I learned pretty fast that I wanted to limit the types of dogs I boarded and have certain parameters. You can decide what size of dog and what gender of dog you are willing to board. I boarded both male and female dogs, and I learned very quickly that with male dogs, you should get a belly band to put on them when they're inside, just in case they feel like marking up your house. You can also decide to not deal with that at all and just have female dogs, which eventually I decided to do. Another thing I did was I only boarded small dogs. I specialized in small dogs, and I had a limit of 15 pounds and under. I also always did meet and greets with every dog before deciding to board them. I learned a lot about dog behavior and watched the dogs and made sure that they were going to be a good fit for our house. I made sure to get good reviews by sending periodic updates on the dogs and sending good high-quality photos of the dogs having fun. Dog boarding can honestly be a great way to make money and turn in a liability like a home into something that's an income-producing asset. Having a yard, that is something that now you could potentially make money from. When we move, because right now we live in a condo, and we used to dog board in a condo, by the way, with no yard. When we move and have a yard, we are going to start dog boarding again, and we are going to turn our liability into something that actually produces us income. If you want to know more about Rover specifically, there's a referral link in our bio. And also look for more videos of potentially Kira learning how to dog board and sending us updates. And also for our family when we finally buy a house and start dog boarding again.